How to apply the law of attraction to your life. Can it be done? Is it even possible to learn how to apply the law of attraction to your life? Do you know the secret? What does it mean to be using the law of attraction? It's quite simple, really. You see, when people start asking themselves what they want to use the law of attraction for, at some point they will ask for things such as love, approval, recognition, money, and so forth. As long as you ask for those things to come from outside of you, you will continue to feel that you do not have those things. They need to come from within you. Everything you want to feel is already yours. You are already loved. You are already good enough. You are already supported. As soon as you ask for what you want, you begin to receive it. But the feelings you want cannot come from outside of you. They can only come from inside of you, and you already have them. This means that when you are at a party and want to feel as if everyone loves you, or when you go the extra mile at work and want to feel recognized for it, or when you are dealing with a difficult person and want someone to lend you support, you can have your own party in your mind and feel amazing about yourself and your accomplishments, without a single person saying or doing anything. You can feel all the love, recognition and support you can possibly want, and even more. As nice as it is when someone says, "You did a great job," or "I'm proud of you," they are not creating the good feeling within you. You are creating that feeling within yourself. It is always inside of you for you to give to yourself. When you start looking inside of yourself, you will never need anyone or anything to feel good about yourself. You will be loved, approved of, recognized, supported, and all of those other things that you want people to give to you now. When you look inside of yourself, you will get those things from everywhere, because the universe reflects back to you what is inside of you. That is the power of the law of attraction and how to apply it to your life. Want to learn more about the law of attraction and manifestation? The dream of people is to be healthy, wealthy, and happy forever. But it is not so easy for everyone to make it as possible in their everyday life. Instant Manifestation Secrets is the effective transformational program that helps people to experience the world in magical abundance. Take this 30-second manifestation reading and reveal your true magical manifestation powers. Find the answers you've been searching for. Click the link in the description to get started. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.